Hello, welcome to today's channel reading. I am Madhu. I am a divine masculine twin flame, and today I feel called to pull cards from the Romance Angel card because there has been a lot of energy around releasing of past relationship. It's been dominating, so I felt guided to pull some card that can help you to see within yourself and in your relationship with the person you are with, and just explore. Like, you don't have to make a decision right away, but look or feel the energy of the card within your heart and feel what are the guidance that you are getting from your heart. And there is nothing wrong in just exploring, because it's about you, right? It's about you experiencing your harmonious union, and you can only experience that with your twin flame, right? So it's always good if the person who is not your twin flame, uh, as fast as they can go out of your consciousness, and that will actually create the space for your twin flame, right? So just open your heart and let me pull the card. Some of the same similar energies are around my consciousness been dominating. So the first card is about unrequited love. It's actually like a kind of a release of a false twin flame energy. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. It's a straight away false twin flame card. How it going to feel like, I will just share my experiences. It will feel like, like you are constantly detaching and then connecting, but the passion is actually not growing, right? Because when you are twin flames, your passion is going to grow gradually. So even if you are making choices and you are healing yourself, but still you are not able to progress, so that means there is things to work upon, there are things to heal, right? You should be very serious about what you are attracting in your love life, because it's the highest form of energy. And if you are sharing with a person who is not your twin flame, that creates a lot of block and also contrast in your life, and that will slowly make your life feel drained and less of prosperity. It affects that way. Okay, so this I'll just read through the card. The romance angels compassionately bring you this card as an answer to your relationship question. The person you are inquiring about has many qualities that you find attractive. However, there is not enough mutual attraction to create the passion you are seeking. This relationship is more like a cat and mouse chase, with one partner continually retreating and disappearing. Neither person enjoys the imbalance and lack of chemistry in the reason, right? Why would you like to have a experience with a person where there is no love, right? Because your heart is desiring the true love, and that's why you are attracting your true twin flame, right? So just feel into the card and just see how this is resonating with your current scenario. uh, it's just about being open and trusting God. Trust your intuition here deeply. You'll see that in your real life. It's all about uh, you love yourself, that you are worthy of love. You are truly worthy of your true love. So it is absolutely okay not to feel guilt to release the person who is not in alignment of that true love, right? So somebody who is not your twin flame is not going to fulfill the desire that you have within your heart. It's only your twin flame can fulfill that. It's like that, it's simple. It's only God has designed your twin flame only to give you that love. Okay, so other than him, no one else can take that space. It is so divine. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this. Can you see these twin flames? Okay, the card is calling about calling in your soulmate. Okay, anyway, the card, the twin flame, uh, the sentence itself is not much in use. So this is actually a like calling in your twin flame. That's the exact energy that you are looking for. So you can also see the flow of card. First, once you release, so then you create that space within your heart, and now the card is guiding that absolutely right away. You call in your twin flame. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. Yes, you know all about it, right? You are a powerful, intuitive, spiritual person. When you are on a twin flame path, you are special, right? You are special. You are so loved that God is bringing your twin flame into your life, right? So you just absolutely release the past relationship and just call your true twin flame. Claim your true twin flame. You like everyone, you have soulmates. Okay, we'll not see this, we'll see you have twin flame. Yes, you have multiple slow soulmates. Okay, I'll make another video on this. You can have multiple soulmates, but it's only one twin flame. That's the special about twin flame relationship. So we'll just take the energy of the card, will not get into the soulmate thing. uh, you know you made a soul agreement to meet in this lifetime for the purpose of mutual spiritual growth. You have many such arrangements which various people who are all your soulmates. They include friends, family, co-worker, romantic partners. Yes, this is what it is actually. This is actually soulmate energy. It's exactly calling, like if you can have a soulmate experience which are beyond your romantic partner. You can also feel a very close connection with a friend, right? So they are all your soulmate, whoever makes you feel good. They can be your family member at times, your parents. Soulmates are specifically from your soul family. Okay, so this card is guiding you, actively calling you to romantic soulmate into your life. Yes, yes. When I felt it, it was a romantic energy, and it's time to call in your twin flame. You can do it through prayer, affirmation, and visualization. Absolutely, absolutely. I can also put a decree in the video. You can absolutely use that decree, and I have also a YouTube video to call in the two twin flame. You can use that also. But yes, the energy is very supportive of releasing the past, any relationship. And at times, it's not always that you have relationship with a false. At times, releasing the past experiences with your true twin flame is also the energy that I got just guided. That at times it happens that you hold on to that past fights, or the past, like anything that has gone wrong, and then now you are just not trying to even establish the connection. Even these two cards are also guiding to that you can just release those past experiences, energetically, and be open to invite your twin flame. It is absolutely safe because your bond is eternal, right? So some fights are not going to stop the flow of love in your life, right? honestly, this card is about the third card. I'm with the third card. It's about heart to heart conversation. Yes, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. This is so profound. The moment, even if it's your when you are going to connect back with your twin flame, or if you feel like it's a false twin flame connection and you want to release it, having a open conversation, like openly share, you are honoring your feeling. Love yourself, right? You are honoring that you desire your true love, right? So absolutely it is okay to open up with your twin flame, and absolutely it is okay to open up with a false twin flame, so that you can clearly tell them that this is what I desire. You make it very clear, and in that way actually you send a vibration to the universe that you are authentically and honestly desiring your twin flame. Okay, that will actually pull in the positive energy, which can take you faster to your twin flame, true twin flame. That's the power of honesty, that's the power of authenticity. That's the power of true love, I'll say. So open up, openly share what you feel. And when you are actually meeting your twin flame, and if something has gone, like happened wrong in the past, or like there is something that you want to share with your twin flame, and you are just holding back yourself, as if you share something will go wrong, uh, throw it out. It doesn't help. It doesn't help. With your twin flame you can do absolutely anything. That's the beauty of this relationship. You can be absolutely raw and be yourself, completely be yourself, when you are with your true twin flame. Absolutely unconditional. They accept you as you are. That's the beauty of this relationship. They don't want to make any changes in you. They don't want. They like you as you are in your soul, right? That's the beauty of it. So just, this is beautiful cards. Thank you.